Good morning, guys! Today we've seen a combination of snow and also a wintry mix. It's been switching back and forth pretty much all day. It's winter. It's New York. Come on, close the door. It's cold. Oh, beautiful. It's amazing. We love it. We enjoy it.
Oh, okay.
You like
You can say "Здравствуйте."
Здравствуйте. Sounds like something a vampire would say. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Easy. See?
It's crowded.
Not really. I want to show prices.
Very interesting. Me getting gas.
Yeah. Alright, it's cold out. Bye. So now we're going to diner.
California diner.
Open 24 hours.
David Monster.
Oh, he needs his mask, John. Oh, and I
Oh,
forgot
that's my
mask
mask.
too. Alright, let's go inside.
It's not working. Alright, guys.
Delicious. Nice place, actually, right?
I take a few.
Yeah, take it.
Oh, I love this.
You like it?
Oh, where I color?
Me too. Very nice. It's funny, diners for me looks like casino. I don't know why, because they have carpet on the floor. So where is menu, John? This one? Yeah. So can you help me with my eggs? I don't understand which eggs I like.
So you like eggs any style means
I just want a regular eggs without anything, John. I don't need anything.
eggs any style means you can pick whatever you want. So you don't want ham or bacon
No.
or do you want potatoes with it or any of that stuff?
No, nothing, just the eggs. A little bit. Thank you. Look, your pocket wants to eat the French fries. I'm hungry.
Out of here.
I'm so hungry. Why are you?
PP to
Swing
say swing low,
swing your
sweet chariot,
seat, your
come forth to carry me home. Alright, where's your mask?
Here is. John and David decided to stay at home while go food shopping. It's like a vacation for me once a week. Okay, let's get some healthy food. First, I would like to buy oranges. They are great for your immune system, especially now. Then I'll buy sweet beets for my borscht. It's the Russian traditional soup. One day I'll cook it for you. Okay, let's see some sweet, yummy, unhealthy food. Oh, that's my favorite cake with strawberry and whipped cream. I know, you like it too. I'm just looking for the best data. And look at these amazing cakes. I could live here forever. I'm allergic, so I like to buy this. Oh no, this hard chamomile soap. It's perfect for sensitive skin. Wow, just one piece left. Okay, I take this one. It's good too. Here is my green tea. A couple more things, and I'm done. Turkey meat for meatballs. David loves meatballs with rice. And fruit mix for a smoothie. Medium organic eggs, because it has less calories. Let's check it. And David's favorite yogurts. Okay, that's everything. It's cold out, and I think Uggs are the best shoes for the winter. So today I want to show you how fast you can clean and refresh your Uggs. I think it needs to be cleaned. I have this brush and black Sweat Renew spray. They have other color options if you need. This is not sponsored, I'm just an enthusiast. To be honest, it was hard to find this color spray. I checked several local stores such as Target, Macy's, ShopRite, and they only sell cleaning and water protection stuff. So I bought this spray on eBay. Okay, let's get started. First, I'll brush the material. Now I'm ready to renew my Uggs. Don't spray inside. I'm doing it in the garage. Alright guys, can you see the difference? Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe if you're new, and see you next time. Bye bye!